Hi, I'm Megan from Carrots and Flowers, and today I'm here cooking for Switch for Good with Dotsie Bosch, the founder, and we are making a high-performance midday meal.
This is called Fiesta salad, right?
Yes.
It has everything one could ever need to repair from your morning workout and to leave you with a ton of energy for the afternoon if you're gonna do a double day.
The best part is this meal is really good for meal prep. You can make a batch of this at the beginning of the week and then have it all ready to go. So you're just grabbing it and going.
I tell athletes that all the time. Like, just have everything, maybe roasted vegetables, whatever you're gonna do with a salad, here in this case, corn and salsa and different kinds of beans, just have them in the fridge.
Yeah.
Have them in the Tupperware and just have them ready, and then you just throw it together. It makes this the 5-minute lunch instead of like the 15-minute lunch. Even like your fresh veggies, the peppers and onions, just have them cut up, have them ready to go.
My favorite part about this meal, aside from the fact that it's got 35 grams of protein, has got to be this cashew queso, because it just makes everything really cheesy, it makes everything really delicious, and it's so easy to make. I promise you, you will not miss the funky fake plastic dairy cheese. Guaranteed.
And you, in my opinion, make the very best cashew cream and cashew cheese, cashew dressing, base dressing of anybody on the plant-based planet.
I have been called the vegan cheese queen before. It's a title I hold very dear.
And it's easy.
It is easy.
I'm like really freaked out by having to like make my own sauces because I don't really know what I'm doing. But this, you guys, you're gonna be hooked because it is so easy, not too many ingredients, and it's like made in a flash.
Yes, so the base of this queso is soaked cashews. You just soak them for about 4 hours or overnight to soften them up. Then you blend it with salsa, nutritional yeast, chili powder, and garlic. It's like a 5-minute process. I actually like to keep soaked frozen cashews in my freezer, so then you don't even have to worry about soaking, or you can boil them if you're in a hurry as well.
Yeah, but just grab them out of the freezer. And nutritional yeast, otherwise known as Nutr in the vegan world, is like the world's most perfect everything.
It is the best.
It's so good. It's like a nutty, cheesy flavor. I love using it on top of pasta like Parmesan cheese. Love putting it on my salads. And it is chock full of B vitamins, which really help to fight fatigue. Also, over here, we move into like all the greens and the deliciousness of spinach and onions, and there's gonna be some lime and some peppers, avocado, even
sweet potato,
which also keep you satiated for hours. The spinach is also, speaking of B vitamins, full of B vitamins. It's full of folate, which is good for your cell growth and good for your metabolism. And that's important for anybody, especially important for athletes as far as repair and recovery goes, right? Like regenerating your cells as fast as you possibly can. So spinach is amazing. There's a lot of amazing greens, but this is one of my faves.
Popeye was onto something.
Yes.
Yes.
The other thing that's awesome about this meal is we have a ton of iron here. We have a ton of iron in the beans, a ton of iron in the spinach. And iron is an important component of hemoglobin, which for my sport, for cycling and all sports, is what carries the oxygen from your lungs to your working muscles to the rest of your body. And so iron-rich, iron-dense foods are extremely important. So many people think you can only get iron in animal flesh, which is sad and ridiculous. It's found in the plant world because that's where animals get their iron. So, are we gonna put it together?
Yes, let's get started. Thank you so much for watching us make this delicious Fiesta salad. You can get the recipe on both of our websites, so switchforgood.org and carrotsandflowers.com.
We hope that you love learning about how to make this Fiesta salad as much as we love eating it. And make sure you stick around because we are going to be also showing you how to make high performance breakfast, high performance dinner, and also some snacks.